Hi guys. And this is my Arella. Naku, sleepy ka na yata eh. Yeah, for today's kwentuhan before we sleep, I have a question for Arella so we can check how smart she is. Here's the question. What's one thing you're desperate to learn?
What's desperate? What?
I mean, parang ano?
I don't want that one. I don't want that.
Ha?
I don't want that one.
Hindi, ito, I'll explain it to you ha. Desperate to learn, yung bang parang gusto mo siyang matutunan, you want to learn it, pero parang hopeless ka, ganun. Yung hopeless ka, yung parang feeling mo na hindi mo magagawa, yes. What is it? What's something?
Filipino.
You mean speaking Filipino language?
No, like this, huh? But I said before the ABC, before you like, bakada. I thought I will not do it. I'm hopeless. I like, bakada.
Ang sinasabi niya, she's desperate to learn the alphabet ng Filipino. But, don't feel like that because nasa Pilipinas ka and you're a Filipino. That will be very easy for you to learn. Sige nga, ay alpabetong Pilipino yung sinasabi niya. Dali.
Bakada.
Ha.
I don't know H. Walang H.
Ha. That's H. Wala.
Walang I yung Bisaya.
Walang not song. We will just pronounce it. Ba, da, ga, ha.
I thought H goes first.
Ha, I. Sa Tagalog, I. Sa English, I kasi. I, la, ma, na, nang, o, pa, ra, sa, ta, u, wa, ya. Ano yun parang
Walang Z?
yeah, wala Z sa Tagalog. Yeah, di mo ba napansin ang mga wala naman talagang Tagalog word na nagsisimula sa Z.
Yung Bisaya walang I.
Di, puro nga sila ay
Nga.
Di, may
Bisaya wala pala silang L. They leave the L.
Sino may sabi?
Titla. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I,
J, K, yeah. Pero English yan.
N, N, O, P, walang N.
Meron mga Filipino dialect, ibang provinces, merong walang H, pero Diyos ko, sorry ha. You will learn that in school, Arella. Wag na ako. Hindi ko kabisado. Merong ganun kasing languages ng mga Pilipino. But don't feel desperate to learn Tagalog alphabet, okay? You will learn that soon siguro, ha? Okay, that's all for our video. You feel desperate to learn siguro Japanese language. Yeah, it's okay.
I didn't count in the numbers.
It's okay because
ako
you know what when I say to you, it's okay to feel desperate.
I can only this
because you're not living in Japan naman that's why.
And I learned how to do it in Spanish because my tita teach me one here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Wow.
If you want to numbers.
Pero hindi naman kasi pagbibilang lang naman ang importante 'Di ba? Kailangan talaga lahat ng words alam mo.
Ay!
Alright, that's all for our so don't feel desperate, okay? Matututunan mo 'yan. Baka this grade 1 lang matutunan mo na lahat 'yang Tagalog, alpabetong Tagalog. Okay, that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Bye. God bless.